guys, it's Stitch Quarterly time, and I'm really excited to make this video because I haven't been able to make one in a while. I'm working on several Afghans that I need to make, and they're very time consuming, so I'm really behind in my cross stitching and my quilting things. So this was really exciting to get the Spring 2022 Stitch Quarterly from Fat Quarter Shop. So I've already cut the side, but we haven't looked inside, so let's go ahead and see what's in here. Right. Hopefully the flash isn't going to be a problem. I had to put it on because I'm in a darker spot here, so let's see what we've got here. Ooh, that's pretty. Oh, I like that. So this is the project bag that we have this time around, and it's got like these blue flowers on here with these green like leaves. It's really pretty. I like it. These project bags are really nice. They make them exclusively for Stitch Quarterly, and they often will make extras, or if they have extras, they will have them on their site and you can purchase them separately, which is really nice. Let's zoom in a little bit here so we can get a good look. The mesh is stitchable, which is awesome. It does have a like boxed bottom so that you can open it up a little bit more and stuff more in here if you need to. They are designed for the cross stitch. It's a bit long, I think, for cross stitch. It could probably be a little bit shorter, but the nice thing is that if you've got a larger hoop, or maybe not a hoop, but maybe like a Q-snap, you can probably fit a little bit longer Q-snap if you take it apart in here, if you want to store your projects that way. But they're really nice bags. I really like these. So let's go ahead and unzip and see what we have inside. What is this? Lotion. Hand cream. So we've got hand cream, Apple Orchard, and it says, if you can get around the flash here, for quilty hands. So I'm assuming this is going to be good for any kind of crafting, because it says for quilty hands, and if they're putting it in this bag, I'm assuming it's going to not be greasy or leave any residue on your fabric while you're using your project with it. So, oh look, it's Riley Blake, put out by Riley Blake. So that's kind of cool. That's nice. What else do we have? Let's just get everything out of here. Anything else? Nope. Okay, so there's that. We of course have our John James needle. You always get your needle to do your project with. Here's the needle minder. Now the needle minder is always matched to the whatever the project is going to be. So it's going to have something to do with tea, sweet tea or tea of some kind. So there's your little hint when you get it open, and it's a pretty good size. I mean, this is my fingers here. You can see it's a pretty good size needle minder. Very cute. And it matches the project bag. Do you see that? This little center design here. In case you want to read that. Cute. And, oh, I love these scissors. These are sweet Snips. I actually have two pairs of these. I have a pair in my quilting box, and then I do have a pair that I keep with one of my two cross stitch stands. So now I have one for each of my stands. I love it. These are great scissors. If you've never tried these, you're going to be really excited to get these. These are called Sweet Snips. They do come in several sizes, and this is the smaller size. And they have a nice cover, which is awesome. I'm actually going to open these up. That's how excited I am. So they have a plastic cover, and it generally stays on. I have actually put these scissors in a project bag before that I've had like thrown around the car that I take for working on at lunchtime, and this cover pretty much stays on. It hasn't come off. They're really sharp. They've got a really nice little point there. I don't know if you can see. I'm really at a bad filming location. I don't like this at all. Sorry. But these are awesome. These are awesome. This is super exciting. This right here, you will love. You will love. Yay! Thank you for the Sweet Snips. And then we get to the project collection. This always comes in a little bag here with everything for the project inside. And you can see the March 2022 theme is tea time. So, awesome. We do have all the thread, and we're going to be using DMC for this. Look at those pretty colors. Really spring-like, right? So you get all of the fabric, or the floss you need to do the project. And Here is your, oh, it's not Ada. Oh, wow. So this is your fabric. We always get 14 count Ada. I actually use 16 count Ada, so I always save the 14 count Ada and stitch for gifts. So if I'm stitching something to give away, I'll use the 14 because I don't really like 14 for myself. This is awesome. It is 28 count Lugana in Mushroom by Zweigart. I've never used Lugana. I've always wanted to try it, but I'm not really sure. I'm a little nervous. So this is a great excuse to give it a go. Now with Lugana, you're going to stitch over 2, which means for each of these little holes, which you really can't see, instead of stitching your traditional 1 square, you're going to stitch across 2 squares. So this is super exciting. Super exciting. And I think the finished project on this is still going to be about 14 count, because I think 28 count, is 28 count the same finished as 14 count? Someone's going to mention in the comments, I'm not sure. I think 32 count is equal to 16 count Ada. 28 count might be equal to 14 count Ada. Somebody, if you know in the comments, let me know. Or I can look it up. But I'm super excited about this. I am super, super excited. This right here. This right here has made my box already. All right, let's see. The pattern. If I can get it out of the thing here. Come on. All right, here we go. So here's your pattern. It is tea time. And look at that. It's super cute. I love the bird. Look at the flowers. That's a cute one. And you see how it matches the needle minder. So let me see. Pattern is in color, so I love it when it's in color. Here it gives you a look at what the colors they're using are. It's going to be a finished size of 8 by 8 inches when you use the 28 count Lugana. Stitch, see here it says that you're going to stitch over 2 threads using 2 strands of DMC. Spring is in the air. Oh, I'm excited about this one. I really like it. Oh. Okay, let's find out a little bit about our products on the product card. So the first thing it says, the bonus item, so they're calling that a bonus item this time around, is the Quilty Hands Hand Cream by Riley Blake Designs. Enjoy freshly hydrated skin while you stitch. Each tube contains 30 milliliters, which makes it a great companion for the stitcher on the go. You'll receive a single tube and the scents will vary. So it looks like they have apple orchard, fresh citrus, vanilla ice cream, and coconut dreams. And the value on that is $1.48. And then, of course, your pattern. What else here? The pattern is a $7.98 value. It is the Tea Time Cross Stitch pattern. Oh, this flash is terrible. 28 count Mushroom Lugana. It is a $6.98 value. The embroidery floss is a $7.12 value. The mesh project bag would be a $9.98 value. The needle minder is a $10.48 value. And then it includes a size 26 needle. Usually I think it's a 24 needle, so it's probably a 26 because of the 28 count Lugana. And then the Sweet Snips, $7.98 value. All-purpose scissors, perfect for trimming threads with little effort. These versatile scissors feature an adorable teal handle, ultra-sharp stainless steel blades, I agree with that, and a lightweight design. So it's awesome, awesome, awesome. Loving this. So that is the Stitch Quarterly this time around. And I think it actually is a pretty good value. I think I got my value's worth. I'm really happy with it, especially because I got 2 really exciting to me projects, items, the Sweet Snips, and I'm really excited to use that Lugana. And everything else is awesome. I love getting the needle minders, and I'm really going to be interested to try this cream out. So there you go. Tea Time, your March 2022 Stitch Quarterly. And again, I apologize for the wonky filming this time around. Please bear with me, and we'll see you next time.